Pipe fitting plays a vital role in keeping our world running, from manufacturing and energy production to water treatment and sanitation. These skilled professionals are responsible for installing, maintaining, and repairing piping systems that transport crucial fluids and gases. But, how do you find a pipe fitting apprenticeship? Here are some key steps. Research local unions and pipe fitting companies. Many offer apprenticeship programs, and their websites often list available opportunities. Contact your local community college or vocational school. These institutions often partner with unions and companies to offer training programs and connect students with apprenticeships. Attend career fairs and industry events. Connect with professionals and learn about potential apprenticeship opportunities in your area. Network with individuals already in the field. Reach out to family, friends, or acquaintances working in the industry and inquire about potential openings. By taking the initiative and pursuing an apprenticeship, you can forge a rewarding career in a stable and growing field.